Alright, this is the SOG Small Fixed Blade Snarl. Let's do an unboxing here. See what we got. Alright, that looks cool. It's the back of the box there. Oh, that looks very neat. Let's open this up. Alright, so I saw this a while back and I thought, man, that'd be kind of cool. Something small. I have one of their knives that a friend of mine gave me. Pretty sharp. So it was pretty neat. But the lock thing didn't work very well. I guess there's a fix for that, but if I can get out of this packaging here. There we go. Of course, you got the protective layering there. So you can either hold it like that, or forgive the cat there, or you can hold it like that. Pretty cool. Basically a pretty solid piece of metal. So that's kind of neat. And it comes with the sheath, of course, being a fixed blade. Now this is cool. This is a good looking belt clip. And I thought it turned around, but I guess it doesn't. Seemed like a couple of the ones I've seen, you can kind of flip it around, so you can do like a scout carry. Oh wait, you don't need to do it that way. So there we go. Imagine you got to be very careful sheathing it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so go on your belt like that. So I guess it would be kind of scout carry. Scout carry is when the knife is sideways. But not bad. It comes with this dog tag style lanyard kind of thing if you want to wear it as a neck knife. But I don't think I'd see myself with this beating against my chest if I'm walking around. But a little bit tight on the sheath, but other than that, this is pretty cool. I dig it. So yeah, there you go. The SOG Snarl fixed blade. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. If you like this video, if you want me to do more of these knife opening videos, let me know. Leave in the comments and give a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you.